If you create content at home, you know there's one small ugly corner that can run the whole shot. This corner right here, I don't like the way it looks on camera, which really distracts my video. Hello guys, this is Us Creative Studio. Welcome back to my channel. Today is a quick studio upgrade. I'm installing this IKEA board around this window to make this side cleaner and more intentional on camera. I will show you what I bought, how I'm installing it, and the final look with my lighting setup. It's really simple. When I'm shooting my video, the camera catches this side of the window, which I don't like the edge, and I don't like how the trim is showing. It also reflects light and pull attention away from the subject. So I went to IKEA to pick up a few things to upgrade this corner. So this is me buying the flower IKEA to pick up few things to upgrade the corner to make it look intentional and also useful, like a mini GA wall. So we have these two boards. If I try to line this, I still have some space here. And if I try to do this, I still have some space up there. 30 inches by 22, 32 by 33. So in the box, we have this 1, 2, 3. So we have 4 screws, we have the manual, and we have this. These are some of what I got from IKEA. I'm gonna put my phone here. I'm going to find a design inside this. It can be a kind of tool. Okay, here we go. Perfect. Put this to here. Okay. Hi guys, so that's the IKEA window side upgrade. So this setup is simple, avoidable, and it's going to make my video look more great. I'll be showing more of this side in my next video. If you want more studio upgrade, deck setup, lighting setup, top down setup, or how I film my gear reviews, drop a comment and I'll make it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I see you in the next one.